Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to use the link Autodetect feature on your Simplebooklet. So the first things you're going to do is log into your dashboard and then head over to Design. And then from there, you're going to go to Settings, which is the last item on the left-hand menu. And then you're going to find the link Autodetect in the menu, and you're going to go ahead and toggle that on. Mine was already on, which is great. And I will show you exactly what I mean here using a website that I know is located on the back of this gatefold brochure. So I'm just going to flip through this. And there we go. That's our website here. And this is automatically turned into a link. And so if I click on this, it will open up the website in a new tab. And so this is just a great feature to have on. It helps your readership be more engaged. It's one other point of contact, and it is excellent if you haven't embedded your hyperlink. It's just one less thing you need to do, and it's really easy to do it from your settings menu. So that is Link Autodetect.